In this Hashtrend Describble video, we'll explain crypto mining. First, we'll recap the last Describble video on hashing. Hashing compresses data into a 64-digit string. It's not possible to reverse it back into its original format. However, when you know the exact input, you can check if a hash is correct. Each tiny difference in input will completely change the output hash. Do you remember the blocks in a blockchain? When we zoom in, we can see how they're built. Blockchain blocks consist of a block header and a block body. The block header contains 6 pieces of data: the previous block's hash, the Merkle tree root, which is a special hash from all the transactions included in the block body, the target that defines the difficulty of the block, timestamp with a date and approximate time when the block was created, the protocol or software version used to mine the block, and finally the nonce, the value of which a miner has to guess. The blockchain body contains Bitcoin transactions picked by the miner. They will add one transaction of their own to the list to receive the collective transaction fees and the newly mined Bitcoins. Miners will put as many transactions as possible into the block until the block capacity of 1 megabyte is used up. To mine a new block, a miner has to fill in all 6 pieces of information in a template or candidate block. The default nonce on the first try is 0. The miner will hash the block header and then look at the output. This is where difficulty comes in. To make sure that it doesn't get too easy or too difficult to mine a block, the Bitcoin network adjusts the difficulty. It does so by determining how many zeros the output hash of the block header has to start with. The more zeros required, the longer it will take to find a valid hash. Remember how a tiny difference in input can change the output hash completely? Miners will keep changing the nonce until the hash of the block header starts with the necessary number of zeros. The first miner to create a valid hash can add their block to the chain and receive the reward. Other miners will discard their candidate blocks and the race for the next block is on. A quick recap. Blocks consist of a block header and a block body. The body contains transactions of normal users and the coinbase transaction that sends new coins to the miner. The block header contains a Merkle root of the transactions, information on block creation, and the nonce. Miners would adjust the nonce until the block hash starts with the number of zeros required. As soon as they have found a valid hash, they may add their block to the blockchain. In the next Hashtrend Describble video, we'll be taking a closer look at proof of work. See you there!